welcome back to our channel.
Hi! On today's video, we're gonna make Jello Popsicles.
Yay!
You're so excited, right? Yay!
Yay! We're gonna celebrate.
We're gonna start by pouring the Jello mix into the popsicle mold. Sorry about that. We're gonna add some cherries to the popsicle mold. Okay, we're done with the cherries, so Mrs. Sarai is gonna place the popsicle sticks. We're gonna freeze them, and I'll come back to you with a result. Sarai will open it.
Many hours later.
Ta-da! We're back with the result. Now let's taste the ice cream. It tastes good. It's Jello ice cream. Let me know if you tried this popsicle treat. It's so delicious. Well, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put your thumbs up. Bye!